video, I want to answer a question that I've been asked many, many times before, which is, do I need agreement with my donor? And by donor, I mean a sperm donor or an egg donor. And my answer is always yes, you do, even though it is not legally required. So it's true in Ontario, the law does not say that you must have a contract with your sperm donor or your egg donor. But in this video, I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I think it is a very, very good idea. So reason number 1, more so for egg donors, is that fertility clinics will often require the contract in order to move ahead with the next steps. And an egg retrieval is something that cannot be done at home. And so somebody going through the egg donation process really does need a fertility clinic to assist them. And if that's the requirement, they need a contract to be able to satisfy the clinic requirements. With sperm donation, it can go either way. Some people do go through a fertility clinic. Other people will do at-home insemination and avoid a fertility clinic altogether, although they might do some medical testing to confirm that the donor is healthy and there's not sexually transmitted infections or other diseases that they want to screen for. So if they don't go to a clinic, it may not be required for sperm donation. So that's reason number 1, clinic may require it. Reason number 2, and this is probably the most important one, is that it is evidence of intention. In the event there were a conflict down the road, a donor wanted to be recognized as a parent, or the parents were seeking child support from the donor. If there were a conflict and the matter went to court, how would a judge decide what to do? What evidence would be presented? So the contract would be a very, very important piece of that puzzle of demonstrating what were the parties' intentions. Was this intended to be a co-parenting relationship? Or from day 1, before there was even a pregnancy, was the intention to be that this was just donation, just a donor, and not a parent-child relationship? So the contract would be extremely important in that case. And often with the contract, most of the time there is independent legal advice. So there would also have been an opportunity for each side to sit down with the lawyer, ask questions, have the law explained, have their obligations explained, and make sure there's not any misunderstandings. And that brings me to reason number 3 to have a contract is to avoid misunderstandings, to avoid conflict. Having a baby should be a happy, positive experience where there's not conflict, and third-party reproduction gets more complicated. So to have a contract is really to have a roadmap. It's an opportunity to speculate about the future and make sure everyone is on the same page and has the same vision and has a plan of action for what the relationship, if any, will look like moving forward. So those are the 3 reasons to have a contract, even though the law doesn't require it. The clinics might. It is evidence of intention in the event there were a lawsuit, and it helps the parties avoid a conflict altogether. So that's it for this video. I hope you learned something new. I'll see you in the next one.